हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे एक अल्ट्रा लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जो कि पूरे नोएडा के टॉप लग्जरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स में से एक है। जी हाँ, प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है काउंटी 107 और इसकी लोकेशन है 107 नोएडा। ये मेन रोड पर लाई करता है, वो मेन रोड जो कि आपको NH24 से लेकर सेंट्रल नोएडा और सेंट्रल नोएडा से नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे पर कनेक्ट करती है, जिसका नाम है विश्वकर्मा रोड। ये प्रोजेक्ट अब नियर पोजेशन आ चुका है बिकॉज इसका CC यानी कि कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट ऑलरेडी आ चुका है एंड द बिल्डर इज वेटिंग फॉर द OC यानी कि ऑक्यूपेंसी सर्टिफिकेट। आफ्टर द OC इज कम, द बिल्डर विल स्टार्ट गिविंग पोजेशन टू द बायर्स इन काउंटी 107। सो आइए चलते हैं। सबसे पहले लेट्स सी इट्स एक्चुअल अपार्टमेंट सो दैट यू विल गेट एन आइडिया दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट you will get in this project. There will be 2 apartments, 2 stairs and 3 lifts on every floor. This is a 5 BHK apartment with an area of 6,570 square feet. Now this is the main entrance of this apartment and you get a huge foyer after entering which maintains your privacy. If I talk about configuration, then this apartment has 5 bedrooms, 1 study room, living dining cum family lounge, 1 kitchen, 6 toilets, 6 balconies, 1 utility, 2 servant rooms and 2 servant toilets. Wow, this is really a huge living room. Look at the size of this hall. This is actually a living dining cum family lounge, so you can separate it as per your requirement of privacy or let it be like this one, fully open and huge. Here in this living room you will get VRV AC, premium quality imported marble, good quality designer fall ceiling, chandelier, hanging lights and fan. This is your kitchen with island counter and this is a very spacious kitchen. It will be provided with premium quality imported marble and flooring, VRV AC, modular kitchen cabinets, RO, hob, chimney with exhaust pipe, exhaust fan, fans, almost everything. This is your utility balcony. You will get 2 servant rooms, 2 servant toilets, 1 utility room and VRV units in the balcony itself. You will get a jumbo size balcony with this living room which will face Central Park area and clubhouse and swimming pools. Now this is a puja room. You can cover it or let it be open as it is. Now this is your first bedroom. You will get laminated wooden flooring, VRV AC, fall ceiling, fans, full height UPVC sliding doors to give you a feeling of openness and proper sunlight. Now this is an ensuite with wardrobes inside this toilet. So my worry is that when someone will take shower in this toilet with hot water, then steam will generate and moisture will reach clothes inside the wardrobes. So I'm curious to know that how this problem will be solved. Now this is a separate big size balcony facing towards the main Vishwakarma road. Now let's move deeper into this apartment. Now this is a deep storage space. You can get some wooden work as per your requirement in this space. This is the second bedroom of this apartment and specifications of all the bedrooms in this apartment are same, so it's futile to recall them again and again. This bedroom also comes with an attached ensuite like the earlier one, but the one thing is different here is that both toilet seat and shower cubicle have glass partitions. One wall of this ensuite is full of wardrobes. Now this is the Central Park facing balcony of this apartment. You can have a view of Central Park, clubhouse and elevated walkway from here. Here are real green trees have been planted in your balcony. Now this is third bedroom of this flat. I have noticed one thing about bedrooms in this apartment is that if I leave master bedroom apart, then all the bedrooms have almost same specifications, same layout, same type of ensuite, more or less same size. So the conflict between family members to choose bedrooms will be less and manageable. This is again a main Vishwakarma Road facing balcony. Now this is fourth bedroom, same as third one. Now this is the main place of this apartment. This is a master suite. You can divide this bedroom in two parts, one for a sofa set and one for a bed. This is a jumbo size master bedroom. This is a huge balcony facing Central Park area. Now this is a big size master toilet. You can easily plan a bathtub here as well. This is a beautifully designed toilet. This is a walk-in closet with both side wardrobes. Right side wardrobes are having full length glass which you can use as a looking mirror. This is a study room or office or gym, whatever way you want to use it. This room is also full of natural light and ventilation through a balcony. Now let us move outside of this giant house and enjoy a full house view while leaving. This is your powder room and it is fully designed and it will be provided as it is to give your guests an ultra luxury feel. Now let's take a small brief of this project. There will be 224 apartments and 6 duplexes in 4 towers of 32 floors each. The configuration you will get in this project is 4 and 5 BHK apartments and duplexes. The amenities you will get in this project is outdoor swimming pool, indoor temperature controlled swimming pool, steam, sauna, spa, gym, restaurant and banquet, kids play area, kart play room, billiards, badminton court, tennis court, basketball court, cricket net practice and mini theatre. Friends, if I talk about the location advantages of this project, then location is the #1 advantage of this project, because this project is located in the central Noida on the main Vishwakarma Road, which has better connectivity with Ghaziabad, Noida Extension and Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Even County 107 has better connectivity with Delhi via NH24 than most of the projects in Noida. The second advantage in this project is that there are only 224 apartments and the minimum size is 3500, which costs somewhere around 6 CR. So there is a strong barrier which only elite of the elite people can cross. Once this project will be inhabited, then you will see that the top performing people of their fields will be residing in this project. Third is IGBC's Platinum Green Building Certification. इन अपार्टमेंट से ज़्यादा नेचुरल लाइट एंड नेचर आपको शायद ही नोएडा में किसी और प्रोजेक्ट में मिले, बिकॉज इवन दे आर गिविंग रियल ट्रीज इन योर बालकनीज. फ्रेंड्स, काउंटी 107 is the first housing project in India to have an elevated walkway. This elevated walkway will be connected through all the towers and give you an elevated view of the landscape. As this is a new concept, so you will be the first ones to enjoy this exclusive feature. The fifth advantage of this project is triple height entrance lobby. Generally friends, in Noida you get double height entrance lobby in a good project, but in this project you get triple height entrance lobby, which will give you an extravaganza look while entering. Friends, there is one disadvantage in this project as well, a small land parcel. So you will not get very big central green park area, and the developer knows it very well. That's why they have come up with a new concept like vertical greens in building facade and real trees in your balconies to compensate the small land parcel. Now last but not the least is sizes and prices. Now let's talk about the sizes and prices of this project. So starting size you will get in this project is 4 BHK 3500 square feet, and the larger 4 BHK is 4482 square feet, and the last and biggest size is 5 BHK 6570 square feet. If I talk about pricing, then prices are 15,000 per square feet BSP, basic sales price, and all the other charges are extra. But most importantly, all the deals are in resale right now in this project, because the project is already near possession. So prices are varying from floor to floor, seller to seller, and time to time. So please call for the exact pricing. If you want any inventory in any of the county group project like Ivy County, Clio County, Ivory County, County 107, Coco County, then please call me, because I can really give you a good and genuine deal. So that's it for this video friends. How do you like this video? Please let me know, and please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, you can just call me or leave a message on the WhatsApp. Now finally, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.